The magic rainbow.
Sophie and Ella joyfully jump in puddles, their laughter filling the garden after the rain.
Look at that! It's so big and beautiful.
I love rainbows, but they always disappear too fast.
The rainbow descends towards Sophie and Ella, morphing into a semi-corporeal form.
Not all rainbows disappear so quickly.
Did the rainbow just talk? This is impossible! Wow, you're real!
Rainbow explains that its colors are fading and needs the girls' help to regain its colors. The girls asked what they can do to help her, and the rainbow said that if they dance happily with her, they could help her. Girls dance, laughter brightens rainbow. Rainbow sparkles brilliantly after their dance, swirling around Sophie and Ella before ascending into the sky.
Thank you, my friends. You too have given me the light of true happiness and joy. With a final shimmer, rainbow disappeared, leaving behind a small glowing drop of color in Sophie's hand.
Sophie and Ella, hand in hand, run back inside, cherishing the glowing drop of color and the memory of their extraordinary friend.